In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe integration with Hubspot. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL for Hubspot. From the homepage, you'll want to locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to enter your login credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, there will be an option to do so. But assuming you're all set up, log into your Hubspot dashboard to begin the integration process. Once you're on your HubSpot home dashboard, look for the marketplace icon. This is where you'll find various applications that you can integrate with HubSpot to enhance its functionality, including Stripe. Clicking on the marketplace icon will take you to a new page that lists all available apps. Now on the marketplace page, you should see a search bar prominently displayed. Click into the search bar and type in Stripe. This will help you filter the results and show only apps related to Stripe. After entering the search term, you should see Stripe's payment processing app appear on the list of results. When you found the Stripe payment processing app, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a detailed page outlining the app's features, functionalities, and how it can benefit your business. Here you can also find client reviews and ratings, which might be helpful to understand other users' experiences. After reviewing the information and deciding that this integration suits your needs, you'll want to click on the Install App button. This step is crucial as it initiates the installation process of Stripe into your HubSpot account. Depending on your setup, you may encounter some prompts that will guide you through the installation. These prompts might include authorizing the integration and connecting your Stripe account with HubSpot to enable seamless transactions and payment processing. And there you have it. With the Stripe integration now set up within HubSpot, you can start exploring the payment processing features directly from your HubSpot dashboard. This integration can streamline your finance operations, making it easier to manage customer transactions. Remember, integrating third-party applications like Stripe into HubSpot not only enhances your business capabilities, but can also help save time and reduce errors in financial management. If you have any challenges during the setup or usage, make sure to consult the support sections of either HubSpot or Stripe for expert assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks to optimize your business tools. Have a great day.